Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I want to show you, right? This mint was very small. The last piece, it all died off, and that little last piece, I took it out, cut it, cleaned the leaves off from the bottom, and replanted it. I'm going to show you how you do that. I'm taking out all these little leaves that are all yellow. Okay, and now the problem that I have is that this side is nice and full, but this side I just put this there just to fill it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you. I already did this one and this one, but I'm gonna show you how you cut it. Let me see if I could do it with my hands. Okay, right here. You cut it here. Let's see if I could cut it. Okay, So okay, there. You peel it off because why? Because wherever the leaves is at, wherever the leaves are at, that's where the roots gonna come out. So as you can see, I cleaned it up pretty big up to the top, and I'm gonna plant it. Hold on, I'm gonna plant it right here. Okay, why? Because when you plant it and you water it, it will have wait, let me check that I'm in the right place. Okay, it will have, hold on, okay, right there. It would have, I'm trying to put it in here. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I've done 3 of them. This one, and this one. That was just to show you how you do it. I'm gonna do more, but let me do them and then I'll show you where I planted it. Okay, I got them all. Look how beautiful they are. And I'm gonna just give it a little bit of water. And then remember, when you don't give it water, they start to die off. You're gonna see a few leaves starting to die off. But when you put water, they revive again. So always try to keep them moist. They like water, so I try to keep them moist, especially the ones I'm planting in now. And in a few days, they should have roots, and from roots, they should grow. Oh, you could do it the other way. You cut them, you put them in water, let the roots grow, and then you plant it. This way I do it because how you call it? It has too many roots down there, so it's gonna be hard to reroot the other ones. So I just stick it in there, and they'll start growing and finding their way. As you can see, this one, look how beautiful. There's another one coming out. Those are also, you could cut them. I think I never cut these. I don't know if I'm sorry. I never cut these. I don't know if you could cut them and replant them also. But well, I have these ones. These are much easier to do. Here is coming another one right there, and they're going to start growing, and I'm going to start like rearranging them little by little, like this one. I want to see if I could. Nah, I can't, because it's gonna, how you call it, be in the middle. I'm just gonna put one more. I already put the water, and this is will start growing from a little piece. If you know somebody who got mint, and you could just ask them for a little piece. So I'm very happy with my plant. I'm planning to buy strawberries. I have one problem with the strawberries, is that I grow them by seeds, but I don't have. I have to find a way where the lizards don't touch them. I always think that I got it and then I don't have it. So I don't know. I'm just gonna buy a pair of strawberries, but I'm still gonna keep trying, like I did with the, how you call it, with the coriander. Everywhere I used to plant it, they used to last a month or so and they would die. Here they love it. So I don't know. I probably would mix it in with, no, it's gonna taste nasty then. I thought about mixing them in, but maybe I could find a place the same way I did with the coriander. Maybe I could find a place for the strawberries. I don't know, with a cover and something nice that looks nice. And maybe I could just hang it up in the top here, because the, how you call it, whatever you put up there, they don't tend to go up there. They tend to maybe stay down here. So I gotta find like a canister where I could just climb it up there and put the seeds. But I will get more seeds, and I will try it again. Because I'm trying various ways. All the things that I can't grow, I'm trying various ways. What I've noticed, they grow good here. But I got my King Royal, I think it's what they call it. I'm gonna do a video on that probably tomorrow. It is in the raised bed where the tree is at, and it has grown like crazy in there. So I'll probably take a few to bring it over here to the house. Because my mom, when she comes, she wants to plant one. In the area. So saying this, um, I'll do that video tomorrow. And for now, I say God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.